Okay, I am Salvador Morales Preciado. This is going to be my submission for the X-ray tube head project. This is what it looks like from the outside. We've got the inside. Okay, let's see here. This whole box is going to be acting as the metal housing, which holds in all the oil and everything in place, and it also acts as the ground for the voltage. We have our pink, which is going to be representing the step up and step down transformer, which regulates the voltage of the electricity coming in. And then the green, the whole thing is going to be filled with insulating oil, but the green is representing that insulating oil. What should we start with first? Let's do the tube head seal. This is the tube head seal. This end of the water bottle. It's gonna keep the oil in place, but it's gonna permit the X-ray beams to leave out of the tube head. Open it up, and we have this little foil piece, which is gonna represent the aluminum discs, which filter out the long wavelength X-rays. We have our lead collimator right here. It's gonna focus the X-ray beam straight out, and it basically prevents the peripheral X-rays, so that it shoots straight and doesn't shoot out to the sides, kind of like your peripheral vision. Put that back in place and close it up. Alright, this whole thing right here is gonna be the X-ray tube. The water bottle is representing the glass housing, which is gonna be vacuum sealed, but I'll open it up for now. This is gonna be our cathode on the left, which is going to be the negative, and our anode to the right, which is going to be the positive. This little coil right here is going to be the tungsten filament, which releases electrons when it's heated up. This is going to be the focusing cup, which aims the electrons over to the anode. And that little black spot right there is going to be the focal point. It's going to be a little tungsten plate called the focal point. When it gets hit with those electrons, it turns them into X-ray photons, and it's at that angle right there, so that it would shoot them out of the tube head. This over here is going to represent the copper stem, which pulls the heat away, basically dissipates the heat out into the insulating oil, which is one of the purposes of that insulating oil. Yep, I think that's gonna be it. Yep, the tungsten filament gets heated up. The focusing cup aims it at the tungsten plate, the focal spot, and then gets turned into X-ray photons. Gets aimed out of the tube head, goes through the aluminum discs, which filter out the long wavelengths, and then the lead collimator, and then out of the PID, also known as a cone, which you aim at the film. And yep, one last shot of what it looks like on the inside. And I think that's gonna be it.